Hi and welcome to Stoke Audi. Today we've got this fantastic Audi A4 saloon for sale. It is 1.4 petrol manual gearbox and it comes in sport specification. It's a perfect all-around family car. It drives fantastic and it's very well equipped as well. The car comes with front and rear parking sensors, lovely alloy wheels, plenty of space at the back. It is very spacious for the passengers and the boot space is fantastic as well. It is a 67 plate, so there is still plenty of manufacturer's warranty left, and the car has done only 9,500 miles. Inside we can see a lovely full leather upholstery and a latest infotainment system with color satellite navigation. The car comes with dual zone climate control and heated seats, amongst many other things. It is a lovely car, it is a great buy, it is very cheap to run and it's very good to drive as well. If you'd like to know more details, please call us on 01782 590 400. Thank you.